guys, I'm Chef Lele, your favorite cake lady with ChefLele.com, and welcome to Lele's Sweet Spot. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this rose gold drip cake, so stay tuned.
Hey y'all, sorry to interrupt this program, but I noticed that I made a cake mistake during this video, so check it out, watch it to the end to see what happened. Alright you guys, this completes our cake tutorial, and as promised, the mistake that I made was improperly positioning the champagne bottle inside of the cake, causing it to lean slightly. So yeah, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe and have a sweet day.